So today we've got a Ford Ranger, brand new, 2023 XLT, and on this model it does not have the factory brake controller, which is normally located there. So we're fitting a REDARC Tow Pro, but you can't just run your own wiring. You have to buy the REDARC Tow Pro wiring kit, and there's the part number there. Reason being is no matter how you wire it to the brake light circuit at the pedal, like we used to, which isn't there anymore, or down at the trailer plug, it throws an error. So this is the standard kit, but this is where the brake controller plugs into. We've got a little 2-pin plug, and it's for this special module, and basically that helps the onboard computers not getting confused for when it's towing, reverse sensors, stability control, etc. So you have to fit this kit, which retail there about 330 bucks. So if you're fitting a Tow Pro to a 2023 Ford Ranger or Everest, you have to use this kit. And I'll just show you that part number again, which for DIY is perfect because it's got step-through guide of where to run the wires, etc. So you can do it at home without upsetting any of the onboard computers. So yeah, hope this helps and hope this saves you a bit of time and money. All right, we'll get on to the next one. Cheers.